Hello, guys. Uh, Welcome to the first crypto chart analysis. It's one of my first videos. My channel is dedicated to trading crypto and making money from it. I've been trading for 1.5 years. And if you want to learn how to catch big moves, just like and subscribe to help the channel grow. And I will be making constantly videos to show you how I think, how I find my key levels, and how I take trades. There are a lot of tricks you will you will understand in the future. So let's begin. I'm beginning with Bitcoin. You see this level? It's a weekly level and also a 618 pounds. It's a fib level. So 97 500. What we see is that we get a slow bleed in the market, and we are looking the potential bounces to take new trades on Bitcoin and other five altcoins. So also in 2 days on Thursday we have an FOMC meeting where you probably will see a big drop on all coins in crypto. So it's better not to take any longs right now. It's better to wait and take the right trade when the time comes. The potential bounces for Bitcoin for me, number one is this. I expect that it will come 84K or 86K, and a less bounce zone is 89K for me. Okay, just imagine that if BTC goes to the first bounce zone is 5%. All the other altcoins will have a drop from here at least 10% to 15% or even 20%. So be careful taking any trades right now because as it looks, we are in a small rejection and the direction of the market is bearish right now. Another thing I want you to show you is USDT dominance. USDT dominance is very important because it shows you what happens in general in the market. For me, USDT dominance is in a downtrend and in this parallel channel. Here in this level at let's say at 5%, it is ranging, and that's why the last days the market is very choppy. Right now is above the middle in the parallel channel, and if you see the price trying to go somewhere here, then it will be the best time to get your long position on altcoins, because if then it rejects from here and we go lower, we will see a big move on altcoins. So looking at USDT dominance market cap, you will understand what happens in the price in the whole market. I also want to give you my analysis on five altcoins. for potential bounce zones. Number one is Pepe. Pepe is a very famous meme coin. I'm sure you know it. Let me clear a little bit my chart. Okay, for me, depending on the drop of Bitcoin, I believe the first potential bounce for Pepe is around this area. It's 72, and the next potential bounce zone is the FIB 786, which is around 660. So this is my potential bounces, and if you would start a trade on Pepe, I will give you two long setups you can try. Please make sure that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my thoughts on how I trade the market. And if you would like to follow, you are free to do so. So with so here I set my risk, my entry, and take profit. The first trade would be something like that, with a potential upside 26%, and and my second trade would be something like this. You see, I put my stop loss under these wicks here, okay, to protect myself, and a potential trade with 37%. So here you can see all the prices, and you can take your trade with me if you like so. So this is the potential trade bounce zones on paper. Next coin I would like to discuss is Solana. Okay, and here is Solana. Solana, for me, there are two potential bounces. The first one is around 133. It could be because you see all these wicks. It could be also this zone. Okay. And I will give you more zones here because it's not easy to predict where exactly, but you should have a very good idea. So the first potential bound zone for Solana, a trade will be something like this, and you could have two entries. Entry number one, okay. You could you could start a trade with a low leverage around this zone, around 136. You could add to your position around 133. Entry number two. And also a second potential trade. Okay, because this uh, somewhere here. Okay, this second trade, it has a bigger stop loss. So I advise you enter if Solana will bounce here, enter with maximum four leverage. don't put more. And to the upside, Solana could be a very big move. We could target something like to 180. So if you follow Solana, you can catch a very good trade, and don't start with big leverage in the beginning because you know it's risky. Start slow and increase your leverage as your trade plays out. So this is for Solana. Let's see Bonk. You see in this, I have marked some weekly levels. I always do it to see how important it is. And you see, we already have a small bounce from this, but I think it will come lower. And for me, the best bounce zone for Bonk will be in this green box. So how you would set up this trade? It would be like this. Okay. Also, because you have uh, a big stop loss, enter slowly with low leverage. Another coin I would like to see is WLD. It's Worldcoin. This made a very good move. So you see here I have marked my fib levels. I always do it on all my trades. Uh, WLD will bounce somewhere around here. You could set the stop loss around okay 3%, and this will sure go. It will be a very big move, you see, and keep an eye on this because it makes great moves, WLD. And also I would like to see DOGE, next coin. Okay, so for DOGE, uh, I also believe something about 618. It will come to the 618 level, and as you see, I believe yes, our entry is around 17,490. Yes, I believe the coins will get that kind of pullback until we see the next move. So guys, that's it. Those are my ideas. Don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I am just showing you my thought process and how I look at the market. Keep an eye on USDT dominance to see where it could have a strong bounce to the downside, and and this will help you find the best entries to trade your altcoins and finally make some money. So like and subscribe, drop in the comments what are your questions and what coins would you like to trade or to get an idea of buying zones and take profit levels. I will see you in the next video. So I am waiting for your coins. and maybe I will chart them in the next video. Thank you very much.